What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my we're gonna try that again. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Williams. glitzandglambytiff.com is my blog, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, subscribe if you are new. If you love videos about fashion, lifestyle, just following me around in my life, just seeing what I get up to, definitely subscribe and tell a friend. Share this video, share my channel, all of that. All of that helps me out so much. But anyway, besides all of that, I'm going to be talking about hair again today. I did my twists, I want to say, in the beginning of last month. This is what it's currently looking like. I have quite a bit of new growth, I would say. I don't know if you can really tell. And my hair is very dirty. I have moisturized and oiled and have kept it pretty nice. Like my braids, like the twists and stuff, actually smell good. It doesn't smell terrible. I have been sweating a lot. I work out like a few times a week, but it's definitely time to take these down. So I kind of just want to talk about my process and how I like take care of my hair after the takedown and moisturize and the products and stuff that I use, and kind of just share that with you guys today. I'm not a hair care expert, but I've learned so many things along the way from other people that have helped to take care of my hair, and just like going to different stylists and just learning about what to use. So there's products that I love personally, and there's things that I do for myself that maybe is something you want to try for yourself. Maybe you want to try some of the products that I share, and I'll just kind of, you know, share that with you guys. But first things first, I have to take these down. With twists, I feel like it's a little bit easier to take down than like braids. It doesn't take as long just because like it's twists. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and wash my hair. I'll share the products that I use for washing and conditioning, and then we will go from there. So I'll talk to you in a moment. So this is the next day. Sometimes I have moments where I have other things to do, so I would just put a bunch of moisturizer in my hair, put my towel on, and just let it sit for the rest of the day. And I might get to it at night, and then yeah. But yesterday that did not happen. There's also there's sometimes where I'll just sleep in my hair towel, and then I'll just wake up and do my hair the next day. I like to let the moisturizer and like conditioner and stuff sit in my hair that I put in after I get out the shower, which I shared the products and stuff that I used for conditioning, for shampooing, from conditioning in the shower. But then I always do a leave-in conditioner after I get out the shower, which the conditioner I use by the Doux can be a leave-in, can be one that you wash out, or something that you use for styling, which is super cool. It's like an all-in-one. So I really love that, and it makes my hair feel so soft. So yeah, so today, which I mean 0 out of 10, I really don't recommend you sleeping with wet hair, because I was sneezing and apparently I was cold. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like now. It's kind of dry now, but it's still wet like at the top, but in the back it's a bit dry. So what I do is I'll take my spray bottle and just kind of spritz that. Spritz my hair just so it's easier. And then whatever I decide to do, that's kind of like how I'll decide to style my hair. Like if I'm wearing a wig, I'll just do braids, or I'll just do a twist out, and just kind of let my hair do its thing after. My hair does feel like nice and moisturized, like it feels pretty soft. It's looking crazy, but you know, this is what happens when you sleep in your hair towel. Like I said, 0 out of 10, I do not recommend, but I mean, it happens. So today, I think I'm just going to, here's my comb and my brush. I think I might just braid it into a ponytail or something, which I feel like that's like my go-to. I just like do some type of braided style and do like a ponytail or something like that, just because it makes my life easier, so much easier. And then usually when styling, I use this cream by the Doux. It's good for twist outs, but I also use it for my braids and stuff too. It like helps to moisturize, and it has coconut water, coconut, rose water, vitamin E, avocado, and manoi in it, so it feels really soft, and I just like the texture of it. So yeah, I'll use this for a lot of like my different styling that I do, and I'll just like put it in, and then my hair feels like nice and lovely after I take it out. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do a quick braided style. We're gonna figure this out right now. It's in my toe. I just did something simple. The braids are not perfect at all. I just like to kind of moisturize, get my hair conditioned, I did a quick ponytail. Like I said, not perfect, but just like I like to, after I do a protective style or just like any type of style that's like sitting in my hair for a while, I like to make sure that I have like a bunch of oils and stuff in my hair, because usually for the most part I'm not fully washing or like doing anything to my hair like while it's in a protective style. So I like to kind of get the nutrients back in, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is just what I do for myself, because usually I do my hair a lot of times on my own. I will get it done sometimes by people, but most of the time I take care of my hair at home. So making sure that I have like the best products, and I always like to listen to people's advice from stylists and just make sure I'm doing what's good for my own hair. But yeah, I hope this is helpful within just trying to figure out how to take care of your hair. Like I said, I'm not a professional stylist, but I've learned different things from stylists. So I like to kind of, you know, put that into practice and do that by myself while I'm at home, because like I said, I'm not always in the salon. I feel like a lot of people are not always in the salon. So yeah, I hope that this is helpful for you, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already if you love videos like this, and please watch my other videos, check out what I'm sharing, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.